Nang mi kmat ke Shillong West uba polling do hne ke sngi ke apsantrik jumang ula thalan ting yo menteri rangba ke jala ha ke baulo ong ba ke ni ke sarkar ke sarkar ke balai lam da menteri rangba uba klem kamet rei tang ha ke sirngio habe kren bekilat pathai kubor uba pol ula ong ke jala ke dan ke sarkar ke balai lam da menteri rangba uba pep trei de ki pausngi bat uba wan trei tang sausngi hak shitayo hak shibenai nakaliang uba pol ula ong pakani ke jing pep trei menteri rangba kalawan ra ke jing teko ke jing trei kam ha ke bagi babun ki kam penroi jeng ki tnat baper ki la syusakut bat watla ke sarkar jela ke dan arngut ki sembut menteri rangba hendai om tepat ke ikam jongki.
We have a government that is led by an absentee chief minister who is in the state barely for 4 days to a week maximum in a month's time. He, according to the reports, he has been traveling, and this is reflective of the attitude of nonchalance, attitude of indifference, callousness, and also please remember that the electorate has given the Congress its biggest numbers ever in the 2013 elections, and with the backup of 29 MLAs and supported by independents, this government has a very comfortable majority. But where is the performance? When you have an absentee chief minister, 2 deputy chief ministers who do not even know what their roles are, who actually is in charge when the CM is not around, a home minister who is reluctant and has come back only because she has been persuaded to come back by the high command, parliamentary secretaries who are cribbing about not knowing what their responsibilities and tasks are, ministers who have openly claimed that they cannot function because the chief minister is exercising full control over their departments. So we have a situation where, the stability of numbers is inversely proportionate to the performance. So it is a serious indictment on the part of the people, serious indictment of this government that has failed miserably, and we as members of the opposition are determined to take this battle head on and not allow this state of drift to continue any longer, which is why we have approached the governor. We are happy that for the first time in many years, the Raj Bhawan has, for the first time, all along we had this Raj Bhawan being just an extension counter of the Congress Bhawan. Now that it is no longer so, we are confident of having a governor who will listen to the voice of the people and will also act with compassion and with understanding. They should appeal to the chief advisor to advise his chief minister to first perform his duties. Where was the chief minister in 2 years' time when this bill has already been passed by the council? Why doesn't he first appeal to Mukul Sama to work? Be present, be visible, make yourself visible in the state, especially when there is turbulence in the political scenario. Why are you running away? Why does he not give that advice, tender that advice to the chief minister?